Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by placing both equations in standard form and deciding which variable to eliminate. Once chosen, compute the smallest integer multipliers that make one variable coefficients match in magnitude. Multiply each entire equation by its multiplier carefully. Do not alter a single term. Make sure to keep track of signs, positive versus negative, because an error here will derail the cancellation. Once done, line the new equations up so corresponding terms are vertically aligned and ready for elimination. You now perform the cancellation step. Add or subtract the scaled equations to eliminate the targeted variable. Do this in one careful pass. Combine like terms and simplify the result to a single variable equation. Next, solve that linear equation using standard algebra. Divide or simplify fractions as needed. Once you have that variable, substitute it back into one of the original equations to compute the remaining variable and simplify. Throughout, monitor arithmetic so fractions and signs stay correct. Finish by verifying. Plug both values into each original equation to confirm both sides match. If both checks pass, you have the correct solution pair. If something fails, retrace steps. Inspect the multipliers you chose, reevaluate sign handling during scaling and elimination, and simplify any fractions again. A quick tip: recalculate one equation at a time and compare intermediate sums. Often the mistake is a single arithmetic slip rather than a conceptual error, and correcting that restores the solution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.